Hi, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video for you in regards to an AliExpress metal cut-in die haul that I received. I had ordered some before the Christmas holiday, and a few came, and I went away, and when I came back in the new year, they were all here, barring one, which I contacted the seller and they've resolved the issue. These ones are from Alina Crafts actually, and I really do like their stuff. The first one is the bows that I really like. I'm not going to start rummaging through packaging and stuff. That's what I made with that one. I think I might need some white paper. If you've noticed, I've changed my cutting mat. The black and white one is really grubby. It's got gooey glue on it and all sorts, and I can't seem to get it off no matter how much I've scrubbed it. So what I've decided to do is use this mat to display my work, and the black and white one, my infamous black and white one, I'm gonna keep that one to do all the gluing and sticking and stuff like that and cutting. But this one is just to display my crafts on and my projects. I got this from Aldi sometime last year. I think it was in the summer of last year, around July. That's the UK's summer. It starts June, July, and I think this was £2.99 that I got it for. So I quite like it. I love the soft pink, and it's got the measurings around it, so yeah, it's good. So I'm just going to use it to display work, projects and stuff, and I use the black and white one to just do all the messy work on. Okay, so this is what I made. I don't want the camera to be blurry. I think that's the bow I made. And that comes like that, with the 3 pieces of it. So that's that. Put that there. And then the other one is this one. I'll show you this one. Sorry about all the rustling and stuff. But I had to put all the pieces in a separate bag because so many little pieces. So I had to put all the little pieces in a little separate bag. And that's her coat and her hair. And this is the picture that comes with it. I do have another metal die, similar, very similar. So that's that, and I made her up. She's lovely. I made her up. There she is. That's her there. Little girl doll. She's lovely. Okay, and then I've got this one. I specifically bought this one for Christmas. I know I was late ordering it for Christmas, and I didn't have any intentions of using it for Christmas gone. As long as I've got it now, I can always have it. It's got the candy stick and the, oh, is it the mistletoe? I think it's the mistletoe. Stars and bits and pieces. You could do so much with it. And I made that see. That's the jar. And I love that. Chocolate jar. So that's that one. What else did I have from Alina Crafts? This one I got as well. That's the notebook, and it's got all the pieces to it. I'm going to use this for my planner, my journaling. It's got notes. It's got the ampersand and the pen and pencil. It's got paper clip, arrow, love heart. That's a dash. That's the exclamation mark. We've got the arrows, and we've got bracket here, and the notebook. I think this is so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I think I'll have to really put my thinking crafty cap on and see if I can actually make a book out of this, depending on these slits here. And it's really for embellishment, to be quite honest. I'll embellish my journals, my planners with that. So all those were the Alina Crafts, and these two I got him. Should put him on a piece of black, really. Yep, I got him with his tuxedo on, and I attached his bow tie. But if you can see here, you can actually make it into a tie, a longer tie, and you can actually put a jacket on him. You could do so much. As you can see, I've done his shoes. You won't be able to see on the black. See, I pieced his shoe because he's sort of like leaning against the wall with his feet crossed. So I attached the black for the shoes, but I'm going to experiment a lot more with this one. And that's him there. That's him there. Yep, so I'm gonna get busy with my dies and experiment. Like this one, I love her so much. And I made her, I cut her out in white, then I cut her out again in pink, and then I just cut the pieces and attached to her dress, and cut the top of her dress on the pink and attached it here, and her bun, her hair bun. And I really do like that. Really, I think it's lovely. Yeah. So that's my die haul from Alina Crafts and the other store. I will link them below. I did check for the notebook online in my orders, and the link is gone. So I'll try my best and see if I can find another one and link it below. So everything that I've shown you so far with the cutting dies, I'll link everything below. I don't usually do it, but I think it's a really good idea because I only end up getting emails and messages asking where did I get them from, so I might as well just list them below in the description area and make my life a lot more easier. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much to my subscribers. and my returning subscribers and all my new subscribers. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell in order to be notified when I upload my videos. So thank you again so much. Take care now. Bye bye.